So how in the world are buy and hold real estate investors across the country cutting their rehab costs in half and doubling their profits overnight? They're doing it by leveraging the 24/7 cash flow method without ever having to pick up a hammer, do any of the work themselves, or even leave the comfort of their living room sofa. Want to know how? If so, make sure you stick around until the end, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the 3 areas that practically all buy and hold real estate investors are failing in, and how you can dominate in these 3 areas by implementing the 24/7 cash flow method. And as an extra bonus for sticking around, I'm going to give you instant access to my 24/7 cash flow playbook and 5-step 30-day bonus training, where I break down in detail the exact strategy that I use to acquire and full gut renovate over 300 rental properties in less than 5 years. I'm also going to extend access to a complimentary one-on-one coaching call. That session allows me and my team to diagnose your business and show you how you can fast track your success by tapping into our done for you model. So if you want to claim these free gifts, go ahead and just click that link and schedule your free coaching call. But these slots fill up quickly, so you definitely have to move fast. I'm Brian Grimes, the founder of the 24/7 Cash Flow University. I use this exact same blueprint to retire myself from the 9-to-5 at age 30. So over the last decade, I've helped hundreds of investors to get past these hurdles. On the flip side, I've also watched hundreds of investors fail, and it wasn't because they didn't have enough cash or good enough credit to be successful. So what are the 3 areas that are responsible for 99% of buy and hold real estate investors' failure? After a decade of research, here's what I was able to boil it down to. We call it the 3 R's of success: research, renovate, and reposition. But if you fall short in any one of these areas, your buy and hold real estate business is guaranteed to fail. When it comes to research, I found that most investors simply don't know how to find the best deals. And we should know by now, the best deals are the ones that you can get for pennies on the dollar. Even if that's not the issue, most buy and hold real estate investors are struggling with the renovation process. They simply don't know how to put these deals back together in the first place, and even if they do, they can't seem to get it done without going way over budget. And last but not least, buy and hold real estate investors are struggling to reposition these assets for the long term. They don't know how to maximize the value of every deal. So here's why you need all 3. If you don't know how to research and get those deals for pennies on the dollar, even if you know how to renovate and reposition these properties, you're not going to have enough deal flow coming in to scale your business and be successful long term. Deal flow is the lifeblood of your business. Now, let's say you can research and reposition, but you don't know how to renovate. Well, your profits are going to get squeezed in the middle because you're going to blow your budget, you're going to get burned by contractors, and you're still going to fail. And even if you know how to find good properties and renovate them, if you haven't mastered repositioning these properties for the long term, increasing the cash flow metrics of every deal so that you maximize the value, you will run into that cash flow crunch where expenses start eating away at your cash flow long term. And these are all red flags that lead to failure. But with the 24/7 cash flow method, we start by showing you how to maximize the value of every deal you touch by reconstructing properties based on their maximum profitability long term. Then we walk you through the step-by-step process for how to get the rock bottom pricing on everything from labor to materials, you name it, and more importantly, how you can do this all from the comfort of your home. And finally, we show you how to create what we call deal overload, where so many deals are flooding your inbox on a daily basis that you can't help but cherry pick the best ones for pennies on the dollar. When all 3 strategies are working together, it means more cash flow, more profits in your pocket, more time with your family, your loved ones, living your dream life. So as a quick recap, we covered the 3 areas that buy and hold real estate investors fail in, and how you can dominate in these 3 areas by leveraging the 24/7 cash flow method. The only thing left for you to do is click the link and get your free bonuses: my 24/7 cash flow playbook, the 5-step 30-day bonus training where I break all of this down for you in even greater detail. And then you want to move forward and schedule that one-on-one coaching call where me and my team once again can get together with you, diagnose your business, and start to correct any of the issues that you're facing right now with our done for you model. I want to see you guys win, so make sure you click that link and grab your free bonuses. I'll see you on the other side.